Okay, this gadget that I found on AliExpress is must-have in every home, and it cost me 2.5 US dollars. And what is it? The brand is ANENG AP01 LCD Digital Thermohygrometer Indoor Electronic Clock Multiscene Measurement Air Temperature Hygrometer Test Tools. It comes in white and black color. I ordered it a white one. And I got it, of course. Oh, no bubbles again. Ooh, cool design. Instruction manual. Let's open. ANENG AP01. What it says? Happy every day. Dry, wet, 30% comfort and 70% humidity. Let's remove this protector. Alright. Ooh! Happy Lucky. Nice cat, a little one with paws. Beautiful. We have set. This is increase, decrease, beeping signal or alarm. From behind we have this holder to sit like this. Okay, and how many batteries? 2 of them. 2 AAA batteries. Let's place the batteries now. Ooh, beeping. Big numbers for the temperature and for the humidity. At bottom we have the clock, which is not set, and the date. And right now the arrow is pointing at wet. Why? 71%. I'm gonna leave it like this. Maybe it's from the inside in the box, maybe. I don't know. Let's set the time first. How to set the clock? By holding the set button for a couple of seconds, and here we go. The ear is blinking. We're gonna go to 2025. One more press. This is the month. 8. The day is 19. Okay. This is the clock. And 14 minutes. Alright. You're gonna see something in this video. And please comment below. And what is that? It's 4 and 14, and the video will be uploaded maybe in 1 hour or less. Is that fast or what? And I'm done. Take a look. It says 95% humidity, 26 degrees. The arrow is pointing on wet, the clock, the date, and the week. Is the 3rd week or the, oh, week 2. How to set the week? Okay. Here it is, the alarm. When you press the set button, you can set the alarm, and with this button, when you press it, the sound will beep. Okay, and also on this button where it says beeping or decrease signal. When you hold it, it turns off to save battery. And yes, the time is remembered. Beautiful. Very nice clock, but it doesn't have a backlight. Maybe that is a negative. All rest is beautiful. By the way, in the instruction manual everything is described very well, so you can mess it up. And voila! For a couple of dollars you will get a beautiful clock with alarm, with the temperature and humidity meter. And it's from the brand ANENG. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Oh, take a look. The humidity drop, now it's comfort.